Welcome to the Wanderers. Today, we're taking you on an epic full POV journey through Hong Kong Disneyland's Jungle River Cruise. Fun fact, this Jungle River Cruise is the only version in the world that offers rides in 3 different languages, Cantonese, English and Mandarin. Hold on tight, because you never know what's lurking around the next bend. If you crave adventure, theme park thrills and unforgettable journeys, make sure to like, subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss the next expedition. This is the Jungle River Cruise. Now sit back and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching.
For safety to remain seated, keep your hands and the inside my boat, take care of your children, okay? Let's see. Can you see the mini boats right here? Yeah, on the bridge. Can you see it? The mini boat. Yeah, here is a picture spot. If you want to take a picture with our beautiful Tarzan Treehouse, I recommend you go to the picture spot to take a picture. Maybe after 6 p.m. all the light around the treehouse will turn on and it's really beautiful. You can go there to take a picture with our treehouse, okay? Let's talk about the reef. It's 4,000 km long, but it's okay. I know it's dark and it's only taken 3 days until romantic night, okay? But if you see any naughty animals on the street, you need to wave your hand and say no, 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 okay? Elephant baby are trying to trample us. So what we need to say? Are you guys ready? It's time to say no, no, no. Oh, you guys are ready. Let's see this way. Elephant brother, he had been shot for 3 days already. If you don't want to become an elephant, don't shot like him, okay? Whoa, who's that? Can you see it? No, maybe we can go there and take a look. It's elephant brother, get down, we can go. We can't let him go here, otherwise he'll be jumping to my pool and play together. It's not a good time, elephant brother. Oh, it's good, you can see it. Whoa! It's fake. What's that? Can you see it? Spider. Spider, yeah. Be careful, they can jump really far. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and the number 4 is already right here. Oh, be careful, be careful. Ooh, also, the snake. Yeah. Shh. Be quiet, be quiet. We can't let them know I'm here. Otherwise, they can see you, they think you're handsome or beautiful. They may come and give you a kiss. Oh, it's good, they can see us. I think we are safe now. Oh, maybe not. See the mouth? The crocodile, yeah, be careful. Your phone look like the lunch meat. And your finger look like the finger because don't let them come and bite your phone and finger, okay? If you look broken, I can help you, okay? Let's go, let's go. Whoa, in front of us is my face, my sinus scan. Let's see my sinus and my skipper is here or not. Oh no, oh no. Why my skipper and sinus become the gorilla? Whoa, be careful. Be careful. Don't worry, don't worry. I will not protect you guys, okay? Here also has a lot of animals, right? See right there. Zebra. Any more? Giraffe. And one more is there. Elephant. You guys are really smart. Maybe we can guess the zebra is a boy or girl, okay? If you think the zebra is a boy, raise your hand. Okay, I can see some hand, okay. If you think the zebra is a beautiful girl, raise your hand. Okay, I can see some hands too. Okay. Actually, I don't know the answer. But I know the left side elephant is a boy, and our right side elephant is a girl. Do you guys know why? Because woman is always right. Yeah. Whoa. What's happening here? Be careful. Their nose are really smelly. You can smell it. Anyone want to brush their teeth? It's the time. It's the time. Wow, man. Why my sinus is here? They didn't become the gorilla. scary. Here is a friendly village, okay? You can hear them playing the drums to welcome us. Yeah, let's say hello to the people right here. Maybe they can give us some surprise. Hello? Anyone here? I think they really like you, so we want to give you guys some souvenir. Anyone got a souvenir from them? No? Oh, don't feel sad. Maybe next time, okay? Wow, income of us is all dog already. 3 days and 2 romantic night is a little bit fast. Oh, can you see the Disney friend right here? Wow! What's that? Be careful, hold on! Don't worry, we can get it up here. I'm professional, okay? Let's see, can we go from this side? Uh-oh. Maybe we can go back. 3 days and 2 romantic night again. Okay, let's go back, let's go back. Oh no, the backside also having flooded. What can we do? Wow! What is fire? I think we better find that angry. Okay, guys, raise your hand, ready? Oh, this is not great. Maybe we can go to one and get some help. Let's go in 1, 2, 3. Okay, before we go back, check your hands and elbow into inside my bowl, okay? Your hands and elbow. Elbow, elbow, elbow.